8 minus 8 times 8 minus 4. 8 minus 8 is just 0, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So we have 0 times 4, which equals 0. But this answer is incorrect. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries, or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So first, inside the parenthesis, we have 8 minus 4, which equals 4. So we have 8 minus 8 times 4. Now, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. Here, multiplication comes before subtraction. So in this step, we have to do the multiplication. 8 times 4 gives us 32. So we have 8 minus 32, which equals minus 24. And this is our final answer.